Yeah.
Game, tara dito. Yung bike mo, ganun bike. Eh, lalagyan mo ng bike, bakit ko?
Alright, good acting man.
You need to cut this part.
What's up everyone, I'm back with another video and it's another weekend guys for another folding bike ride. And our route for today is something like Marina Bay Loop. There's no formal name for it, but it's around Marina Bay Loop. And I'll show you the map. And since we are already late for today guys, because we are caught up with work, we will start the ride with a Grab ride. So now our Grab taxi is already here. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, how to fit?
You need to ask this guy to.
Oh. Oh my. Cannot. How?
Easy. We need to move easy.
So we're already here guys, and we are going to meet my colleague in Merlion. So, as of now, that's the view sailing at the bay. So now is 6:15 in the evening. So she's here. So joining with us today is my colleague from BIM department. So she's Saliha.
Hi.
Ian. You get your picture already here?
Your bicycle is so cute.
Yes.
Mine is so heavy.
So now guys, we're starting the loop, this bay loop. Oh, nice weather, so windy. Have to dismount. Oh, so this is a dismount area. Where did you go before here?
Nowhere.
Nowhere? You just roam around. You just roam around. Okay, riding time. Oh. Ramp access. You need the photo op again.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to.
So we have a photo inspiration, guys, that we need to that we want to copy. This one. Singapore, home of F1 night racing. So this is the venue for the F1 racing, guys. This exact road.
I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
Which model is that? 9? The 9? Is that the Hero 9? Hero 9 GoPro? 7.
Actually, I bought this because I want to go diving and then suddenly COVID. Yeah, so I didn't use it that much.
The diving you do here or
In Malaysia.
in Malaysia?
If you don't wanna change, I can help you out.
I think we cycled already here before. We cycled already here before.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
Okay.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time.
Oh, now we're already here in Kallang Road.
I would rather lie to you. Look away light so you won't see. Cause the pain is in my eyes.
Let's go.
Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints that are hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time.
So currently we're here at Kallang Wave.
Fight with you, I
See
would
that?
rather lie to you.
It's where the big concerts are held.
I don't wanna fight, I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints.
So the Shimano cycling store is here in Kallang Stadium, guys. You see. I don't know if that's from 1900s to 2000. Open 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. The store is over there, further. Wow. These are the mountain bikes. All the type of bikes. Okay, let's go. Wow. It's a good alfresco eating hub also, guys. See? You don't know about this one. Oh, it's nice to get picture here. Yan. Picture.
Call me all night long. Try to give you hints that are hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know.
You need to cut this part.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie, I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight,
So now guys, on the favorite part, eating. So we're here at Ishana Fullerton.
You're featuring in the YouTube your restaurant.
Just tap me.
This is how you fold the polygon Urbano. Wow, like that only.
And then this one. Like that. That.
Then done.
That's my best friend.